Hi, and so today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add music to CapCut's website. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you open your browser, just go to the URL section and actually type CapCut.com and hit the enter button. Once you did that, they will lead you to another page, not this if it's your first time. Of course, from that page you can download it on the right side, or you can just start using it on the left side on a browser. Of course, if you want to download this, you'll find a video on this channel on how to do that, so just go check it out. If you want to start using it on a browser, you'll need to log in into your account, and if you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. You can even create your account with a Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So actually, once you log in into your account, you'll find this as your home or as your main screen. And from here, you can open some of your recent projects if you already worked on something. For you, if you're new to this, just go and click at blank canvas. You will need to wait a bit until it loads. Of course, if you have it on your PC, you'll not need to wait or anything, or you'll have the full features because you downloaded it on your phone. On your PC. And from here, I would like to upload a video to show you how you can start editing on it and add some music to it. So once it's uploaded, I'll need just to drag it here into this editing area, and as you can see now, this is my video. I can edit on it by simply I can like do whatever I want on it. Of course here I can even change the voice effects, as you can see, or I can change the volume, fade out duration, fade in duration, or if you want to add music, just go here to audio. And if you want, of course, to search for your song here or singers, or if you find a good music, you find it here, just go and click at this plus machine music. Yeah, not music, a plus icon. And of course, from here, you will need to expand it. So of course, how much, as you can see, if you want to make it lesser, if you want to cut it, do whatever you want. Now if you start the video, you will hear the sound of the music, and of course you can actually make the volume lower and higher if you want. Then if you just export your file and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.